Hi, I'm Jeannie with the Fitzpatrick Team at REMAX Results. If you've been thinking about buying a home, whether it's soon or just an idea you're starting to explore, I want to walk you through what the process really looks like and how we help make it feel clear and manageable from the very beginning. We'll start with a conversation about your goals, what's motivating your move, your timing, and the kind of home or lifestyle you're looking for. From there, I'll explain how we'll work together and what buyer representation means. In short, it means you'll have someone in your corner, protecting your interests, negotiating on your behalf, and guiding you through every step with clarity and care. Next, we'll talk about your purchasing plan. For most buyers, that starts with getting pre-approved through a trusted local lender to define your budget and strengthen your offer. If you're purchasing in cash, we'll go over proof of funds and how to be ready to move when the right opportunity comes along. Once that's in place, we'll set you up with direct MLS access, the same system agents use. So you'll see listings the moment they hit the market. I'll also keep an eye out for off-market homes or upcoming listings that could be a great fit. When we start touring, it's all about finding what feels right for you. Every showing teaches us something, and I'll share honest feedback and insight along the way so that you can make decisions that fit your life, not just the market. And just so you know, you never have to wait until you're ready to reach out. Most people only buy or sell a few homes in their lifetime, but we do this every day. So you are never bothering us when you text about a property you saw, ask for a contractor, or just want to understand what's happening in the market. That's exactly what we're here for. Real estate isn't just about closing deals. It's about helping you make smart, confident decisions, even long before you're ready to make a move. So if you're curious about the market or just starting to picture your next home, reach out. Let's talk about what's possible and start mapping out your next step together.